At Kanto, we recognize that as a professional AV installer, you need a product that is quick to install, looks great, and provides the end user with confidence and superior functionality. That's why we created the PMX series, a line of full-motion TV mounts designed to meet your installation and business needs. Our main focus in the development of the PMX series was to provide installers with a mount that is both adaptable and easy to install. To accomplish this, we designed an arm assembly that could be easily removed from the wall plate. Without the additional weight of the arms, the wall plate can be installed unassisted. This allows you to dictate the position of the arm assembly, ensuring your customer's TV is exactly where they want it. We've also lengthened the articulating arms in order to provide as much clearance as possible. The extra reach gives your customers more freedom to pan and swivel their TV into the most ideal position. Even large TVs can be maneuvered around corners or out of recessed locations. The PMX series also features a specially designed toolless tilt mechanism, making it easy for your customers to adjust the angle of their TV. A simple lever is used in conjunction with heavy-duty friction washers to adjust the tension of the tilt head, allowing for fingertip adjustments to be made or to lock the TV in place. Every PMX mount is equipped with 4 cable management raceways and screw-on aluminum covers to ensure you leave your customers with a professional, polished installation. A carefully organized bolt package is also provided, containing all the washers, spacers, and leg bolts you need for both wood studs and concrete walls. 3 models of the PMX are available to accommodate a wide range of TV sizes and are backed with a 10-year warranty, giving you and your customer peace of mind. Delight your customers with a premium national brand using the PMX series from Kanto. For more information, visit us at kantomounts.com. Thanks for watching.